to go do a video, and I couldn't keep the batteries in my camera charged. They just would go dead, go dead, go dead. Well, it's about a week ago. So I don't know if you guys have noticed, I've been kind of stretching my videos out so that there was like 4, maybe 5 days in between each video rather than every other day, while I was waiting for this to show up. Yes, I got mail. Hooray! Let's see, I don't know if you can, yeah, you can see. Okay. So, the big unveiling, got a box, or unwrapping, whatever it's called. Been working on the bed bug and unable to film because, well, the camera quit on me. I'm recording on my cell phone right now. Are you kidding me? This big old box for this? Wow. Okay, these are the little disky poos. Ugh, don't feel like messing with it. And then this, I've already taken the liberty to get rid of this. So there's the packaging. And this is what I got. Yeah, baby. So, let's see. If I can get this off here, it'd be really nice, wouldn't it? Movie case series. Open. Nice case, very sturdy. Yeah, I'm seeing it for the first time too, so I don't know. These are just this is the waterproof casing, I guess it's called. I guess it'd be nice if that was somewhere where you could see it. A strap. Probably won't use it. Power cord with USB to charge the more stick-on stuff. And this to put on a helmet. And of course the books. Ooh. CD or whatever it's called. I don't know what they're called. And the books. And the cautions. Got to be careful with everything, right? More books. Sticky tape, I guess. This is the clip-on touch screen. Well, touch screen. And this is the camera. Tiny little guy. Small, just like my other one was. Actually, I think this one is smaller. And then this little cam or screen thing just, I guess, just clips in there. I'm not going to force it because I don't know how it goes just yet. Oh, just like that. So that you've got the screen back here, or you can take the screen off, which I don't know how you get it off, or you just pull like that. And this way it'll fit into the waterproof case. Cool. Did I say there were batteries in here? Or maybe it's in here already. Anyway, I will have to do a little bit of reading and playing around with it. I know that comes off. But yeah, so I got 2 of them, and the reason I got 2 was because there's another YouTuber that uses these cameras, and he's got them mounted to his Mini Mate, which is a pull-behind trailer like my little one that I have for my bug. So anyway, he has 2 of them that he has strapped to or hooked to each side of his Mini Mate. So I figured I'd get 2 of them, and the price was very reasonable. And I watched a lot of, I'm sorry, my yard guy's here. I've watched a lot of his videos, and the sound quality and the picture quality, although there's no zoom, you know, you can't zoom in and out, but this guy, hold on. Anyway, this other guy that I've been watching, he has a Mini Mate, and it pulls behind his motorcycle. Well, I bought a motorcycle tent trailer that I'm going to pull behind my 73 Volkswagen Bug. And when he's got his cameras on his Mini Mate, the picture quality is really good. Sound quality was pretty good. Even when he just kind of carries them around, it was all really good. And I watched a lot of his videos. I think his channel name, yeah, his channel name is Old Guy on a Bike, if you're interested. Yeah, I'm glad I found his channel. He's got a pretty good channel. Anyway, so in watching his videos for quite a long time now, and he's always talking about these cameras and how good they are, and yeah. So I just ordered 2 of them. Well, I put them on watch on Amazon, kind of to watch for the price to go down, and the price did go down. So I picked these up. I think they were $56 a piece, something like that. So we'll see. I don't know if they have a place to plug in an external mic. I'll have to, like I said, I just opened them, so I'll have to putz around with it and see. So that is why I haven't been putting movies out or videos out quite as frequently. It's because I'm having to figure out how to take them off my phone and get them onto my laptop. And it's, I mean, I figured it out. I've done 2 or 3. But it's really a pain, and this is